I'm Ronnie, and this is Spongebob. Do you like Spongebob? This lesson is for you, even if you don't like Spongebob. If you are learning English, Spongebob and I are here to help you. Also, if you have a child who's learning English, pause the video, come get them. I'm going to teach your child some cool English things. Also, I have English lessons on my private website, englishwithronnie.com. I will teach your children privately. It's so fun. I love the kids. Anyways, Spongebob, I'm going to put you down for now. Let's do a little lesson. Don't be scared. This word on the board, conjunctions. What does it mean? What is a conjunction? I'll give you 3 of them. Very, very easy and the most popular in English. You maybe know the word and, but how to use it in a sentence? And is a conjunction. So a conjunction takes 2 ideas and puts them together. With a conjunction and, we have 2 ideas that are the same or super similar to make a sentence. So adds to the same idea. In this sentence, my idea is I like Minecraft and what? Lego. So we've got 2 things that we like, Minecraft, Lego. We're going to put them together in the sentence using and. So now it's your turn. Try and think of 2 things that you like and put them together in a sentence. I like blue. Let's do colors. What colors do you like? I like blue and purple. Yeah. Or we can do animals. I like donkeys and horses. Can you think of an example of 2 things you like? Great. Okay, let's do the next one. This is one that's very interesting. We have the word or. So or, again, is a conjunction. So this one, when we use the word or, it means that someone's giving us a choice. Most of the time, but not all of the time, it's a question. So you go somewhere and someone says, hey, you right there. Do you want chocolate or peanut butter? What do you choose? What's your choice? You have to be very careful and listen to people, because sometimes people say, hey, would you like black or white? And you say, yes. No, you have to choose one. So if you hear the magic word or, you know you have to make a choice. Now you can be funny, right? Would you like chocolate or peanut butter? Yes. I'd like both. You can say that, but if you just say yes, people are confused. So, or is going to give you a choice. You go to someone's house, hey, would you like tea or coffee? Both. Okay, yeah, have both. Just choose one. I'm choosing coffee. If I go to your house, I'll have a coffee. Please get that ready for me strong. Okay, and the last one, we have contrast. When we use but. So but, another conjunction, is showing us the contrast of something. So and, we're 2 things the same, but we're telling you it's a little bit different. So as an example, we can say, oh, I like Lego, but you know what? I don't like Minecraft. I want to go to the beach, but it's raining. You can kind of think of this as positive and negative. I like black, but the blue is nicer. So, contrast, we use but. How about you think of something? If I say, tell me something you like, and then tell me something you don't like and use but. I'll give you another example. I love winter, but I don't like summer. It's too hot. Too hot, too hot. So, I hope that you can now use 3 words, conjunctions. We have but, that shows contrast. I like English, but it's difficult. Do you speak English or French? And then we have am, which means the same. Oh, I speak English and French. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed and learned a lot. I'm off to see the wizard. Bye-bye.